Hello Android enthusiasts! In today's tutorial, we'll demystify the Clipboard feature on your Android phone or tablet. Whether you're copying text, URLs, or images, knowing how to access your Clipboard can be a game changer. Let's dive in. Install a keyboard app with Clipboard support. First, make sure you have a keyboard app that includes a Clipboard feature. Two popular choices are Google's Gboard and Microsoft's SwiftKey. If you don't have one installed, head to the Google Play Store and grab your preferred keyboard, copy something to the Clipboard, open any app where you can input text, like a messaging app or notes, highlight and copy some text, a URL, or even an image. Access the Clipboard, tap on a text field to bring up the keyboard, look for the Clipboard icon in the top toolbar. It might be a clipboard symbol or labeled as Clipboard. Tap the icon to open the Clipboard, view and paste from the Clipboard. Inside the Clipboard, you'll find the recently copied item at the top of the list. Simply tap any of the options to paste it into the text field. Pin items to prevent deletion. Android doesn't keep Clipboard items forever. They get deleted after a while. To prevent important items from disappearing, long press an item in the Clipboard. Choose the pin option to keep it accessible even after the automatic deletion. Timer kicks in.